Namaskaram. Here you can see a green Ayurveda wise very important and very beautiful aloe vera plant. It's very much crowded. As you can see, the pot is filled with aloe vera. It's not a single plant. As we know, the aloe vera reproduced by two ways. One is by the seeds, which won't be here in the case of indoor plants, and the second thing is by making these pups, or what I call is the aloe vera babies. So what happens after some time, if your aloe vera is healthy and mature, there grows horizontal stems inside the soil. We can't see it, and from them these pups grow out. So as we can see here, I have 1 and 2, 3, 4 pups are here. So these are quite mature right now, and they have all of them have 5 or more leaves. So what happens if I leave them as it is? All the plants will be nutrient deficient, and the soil also will not get the air to breathe. So what I do usually is I will take out the babies and repot it into another pot. Yeah, this dense wise it looks cool, but it's good for both the mother and the babies to take out the babies. They are big now and they are mature to live their own life. So repotting is very easy. So I don't use any tools or what. I just gently. So I will take this one because this looks mature. It has got 6 leaves. So don't put out the babies if they are very small, like 1 inch or 2 inch. If they are big enough, you can take out. So I very gently, using my hand, hold the babies near as much as down I can go, near the root, and gently pull out. Okay? Very gently you have to do. If you want, you can use some tools. Don't be in any way of hurry. Okay, so here we got the baby out, right? As you can see, the roots are intact. These pups are connected to the mother. So what we do, we will just let that wound to be healed. It will heal. That's the process, and the mother know it. So here we got. So few people, what they do is they take this baby in for some time and then they repot. But as you can see, the roots are already so matured and they are grown enough. We can directly repot. There is no need to wait. We don't see any wound or all. Sometimes the pups are very small. Then when we pluck out, we get fresh wound. But it's not the case here. So we can directly repot. So we will just where we got the pup, there we will put the soil and leave the mother aside. She is happy now. Her child is big enough now. Now we will repot into another. Keep a dry soil, and there we will repot. So the leaves have to be above the ground. Only the root will go. So I'm making enough space. As you can see, the soil is completely dry. And here goes the new baby into a new world. And it could be shocking for you. Do not water it. It's a for if you are a beginner, you don't know about the aloe vera plant, and you repot these babies, and if you it will be shocking for you. Do not water it for at least 1 week after you repot it. This aloe vera, these are the desert plants. They don't need that much water, but you have to give water. But for when you repot it, at least for a week, do not give water. Here it is. That is good to go. Both the mother and the baby are happy. Do not water either the plants for at least a week. Otherwise, if there is a moisture too much, from where we pluck it out, there is a cut in the wound, and there is a chance that bacteria can grow from there. So let it be for a week, and after a week you can water it. It needs abundant sunlight.